Lambot ng buto, nagkakalas-kalas na eh.
So, it has pork meat marinated in Mexican spices.
Conchinita, empanadas, chorizo.
Yeah.
Dry yung chicken bro.
Chicken, no?
Pusit.
Bigay natin ito.
Walang 0.5 to.
Wala. iPhone lang may 0.5.
Saan mo sinawsaw?
Sesame, salt, and pepper.
Lambot ng buto, nagkakalas-kalas na eh.
Top.
Okay na.
Nasa bag mo?
Okay, this one, El Pastor.
Al Pastor.
So, it has pork meat marinated in Mexican spices, roasted and served with onion and coriander. With pineapple.
With pineapple.
So, one bite. Up.
Sarap. Forgot the sauce. So, ihuli natin yung shrimp. Or that's the fish. Oh no, that's a prawn. Ihuli natin yung prawn.
Sarap.
Sarap.
But it's just a little.
Tacos.
Next is going to be chicken.
Next is chicken. Marinated, roasted. Chicken served with onion and coriander.
Kung bilhin yung vegan El Pastor,
Yeah, sure.
piliin na lang natin yung next.
Conchinita, empanadas, chorizo.
Yeah.
Para lang matry, for the sake. So you got the chicken.
Kasi El Pastor, that means same lang.
Yeah, flavor. Yeah. So hindi natin siya orderin ulit ganun.
Parang kung same lang pala yung lahat ng price. Ano sana nag-beef pa na lang or prawn. Ganun.
Oh, sana sinabi mo agad para kinontra mo.
Hindi, pero okay lang din naman na. Tinry natin naman. Kasi if not, how will we know? Nabawi yung salsa.
Yeah. Dry yung chicken bro.
Chicken, no?
Oh. It's good.
Sarap na salsa. Gabi ako.
Menu. Parang ito yung star main talaga nila. Yung star. What's next?
Is going to be shredded beef
Shredded beef,
with melted cheese. Walang saan yung melted cheese?
melted cheese,
Served with onions and coriander. And a little bit of salsa. That's all. Parang tayo lang gumagawa.
Hindi na pala kailangan. Pero nilagyan kita ng lemon. It's good. Yan lang ordering mo next. Tsaka yung prawn. Tignan mo naman yung prawn. Panalo.
Next is buttered shrimp served with pico de gallo, lettuce, and
Chipotle.
chipotle mayonnaise.
Laki. Sarap.
Coffee yung ano yun.
Shrimp.
Mas na-enjoy yung beef.
Hindi ba maanghang yung beef? So maanghang yung beef with this. Kunin mo yung lime. Ganito rin ba yung shrimp last time? Naalala mo? Pero naalala ko masarap yung shrimp last time. Parang so-so lang siya ngayon.
Ngayon, no? Or first natin kinain. Or kinain natin agad pagka-shoot.
No. What do you want to order next?
Beef only.
Beef only? Ilan? Isa?
Hello.
Isa lang?
I think I'm okay.
You're done? Ako lang order nito. Tiyan kita. So you want beef only? That's it? Okay.
Yeah. I think I am almost full.
Okay lang. At least yung main yun nakuha natin. Sige.
Conchinita pibil.
Ah, okay. This one is empanada. Okay. Sure.
Take a bite.
Hati. Here's the knife. Here.
Really naman.
Ha? Mainit pa? Ah, hindi. Nakahawak. Mamaya mo na kainin. Mainit pa eh. Ito na lang muna. Total, tigisan naman tayo dito. Empanadas chorizo. Pero mainit pa yung akin. You have beef, right? Pero gutom pa ako. Okay na siguro. Weird naman na order pa tayo ng isang piraso lang. Sa dessert na lang.
Hindi na tumuloy.
Mukhang hindi naman na.
Grabe, no? Flavor.
Pero alam mo, mas nagustuhan ko yung ano, in fairness. Al Pastor.
Ano ba yun? Ah, may pineapple.
Malambot yung beef niya. I mean, kinain mo. Conchinita pibil.
Marinated pork, slowly cooked banana leaves, and Mexican spices served with the
Red beans and red onion. Yung red onion parang ano eh, no? Yung red ginger. Pickled ginger. Masarap. Pinatakan mo pa ng lemon. After meeting. Meron dun sa likod. Mas masarap yung side na to. And the next time. Ano ulit yun?
Ganda, after nyo magpalimit ng open. Kumain ng kumain.
Seafood pa, no? Pusit.
Bigay natin ito.
Lower. But parang ngayon na iba na.
Mukha mo nga yun sa The Glory. Ba't ang putla?
Gutom na kasi ako.